Supporters and families of Morgan Harris and Mercedes Myron held dual demonstrations on Thursday, one at the Brady landfill and at the courthouse in Winnipeg. The city is seeking an injunction to end the blockade, but a judge has again decided to adjourn the ruling for another day, encouraging both sides to come up with a resolution to keep the protests going while opening the road to the landfill. The city's chief administrative officer, Michael Jack, says he's open to any suggestions that reopens the roadway.
We really are all ears. The last thing we want is having to remove anybody or remove the blockade. We'd really like to do everything we can to try and find a compromise here.
A further adjournment may be considered at the request of Sasha Paul, legal representative for the families involved.
I think the right of protest is an important right for my clients, and they're exercising that, and we're hopeful that the court sees it that way.
On Wednesday night, tensions were high as roughly 50 blockade supporters gathered outside the home of a man who was caught dumping soil on a red dress memorial near the landfill. In a Facebook Live video, red paint covered the door and fence surrounding the home. Family spokesperson Robin Johnston says those actions don't reflect those at the camp.
That's not what we're about, okay? I only learned of that last night on social media. As I said yesterday, the folks at Camp Morgan are peaceful people. Just because there's other people over there doesn't mean all Indigenous people are these angry people that are mobs.
Surrounded by roughly a dozen police officers, the man later came out to apologize for his actions. Police say one person was charged with mischief under 5,000 after they allegedly threw a rock through a window. And out at the blockade, supporter Derek Meaches can't understand why the searches are not already underway.
Is it because they don't care? Is it because money? Or is it because, put it this way, we're Indian?
Tamara Pimentel, APTN National News, Winnipeg.